PVC fascia is gonna be better because it doesn't rot. It's gonna be significantly higher, but that's a lifetime product. So a good PVC fascia board is, and then you can get bright white. But once that's on there, if you're replacing older rotten fascia, then that should be there for life. You shouldn't have to worry about it ever rotting. It's probably double the cost on the PVC, but your wood typically isn't going to last as long. So the PVC is a great product. It just takes the worry out of it. Yeah, I don't think I've come across an HOA with a limitation on fascia board specifically, whether you use wood or usually people will use a cedar fascia board. Now, aesthetically, people like the look of that, but a lot of times there's not a lot of visibility to your fascia. People don't spend a lot of time looking at that. The PVC, again, is not going to peel or fade, and it'll be a lifetime product. It won't rot, and so that's really the advantages with the PVC. Yeah, so typically fascia is painted, and so it's a primed wood is usually used initially, and then it's painted to suit the homeowner or what their decor is. And so that paint over time will tend to peel and fade, and so there's maintenance there. With the PVC, you won't have the maintenance.